ڈیئر ویورز، ا بنچ آف گریپس کے ایک اور چیپٹر کے ساتھ آپ کی خدمت میں حاضر ہوں۔ امید ہے کہ آپ اس چیپٹر کو بھی پریویس چیپٹرز کی طرح سراہیں گے اور حوصلہ افزائی کریں گے۔ آج کا جو ہمارا چیپٹر ہے اس کا عنوان ہے ہیو فیتھ ان یوتھ، یعنی اپنی نوجوان نسل پر یقین رکھیے۔ تو گو کہ یہ ایک بڑی اہم بات ہے اور اس کے بڑے دور رس نتائج ہوں گے اور اس کی ہمیں ضرورت بھی ہے، کیونکہ اسی نوجوان نسل نے ہمارے ملک و قوم کی باغ ڈور سنبھالنا ہے۔ اس تصور کو بڑے خوبصورت اور مزاحیہ انداز میں پیش کرنے کی کوشش کی گئی ہے، اور ایک بہت پرانی مورل سٹوری جو ہم پڑھا کرتے تھے، جس میں کبوتر دانہ چننے کے لیے کھیتوں میں جب اترتے ہیں اور دانے کی لالچ میں وہ جال میں جا پھنستے ہیں اور پھر ہمت نہیں ہارتے اور جال سمیت سب زور لگاتے ہیں، پر پھڑپڑاتے ہیں اور جال سمیت ہی اڑ جاتے ہیں۔ اس کہانی کو تھوڑا سا چینج کیا گیا ہے اور اپنی ینگ جنریشن کو ہائی لائٹ کرنے کی کوشش کی گئی ہے۔ تو آئیے آپ سنیے اور امید ہے کہ آپ اسے پسند کریں گے۔ تو یہ ہے چیپٹر نمبر 9، ہیو فیتھ ان یوتھ۔ Any society that does not succeed in tapping into the energy and creativity of its youth will be left behind. Kofi Annan said that on August 12, 2013. Those families suffer and face many hardships in which senior members are deficient in decision making, power of judgment, and have a chronic stubbornness in their disposition. They do not trust on the judgment, intellect, and potential of their young generation. Such thinking of elders does not help youths to have faith in their abilities. Awareness, intellect, and maturity have nothing to do with age. A flock of pigeons was flying over a maize field. An old pigeon who was their grandfather saw the maize field and uttered joyfully, "Wow, grains, grains! Let's eat them! Come on now, swoop downwards and eat! I cannot wait." The young and sensible pigeons remained calm and said, "Grandpa, please pacify yourself. There might be a trap to catch us, so let's assess the situation." But the grandpa was invincible. He was not listening to the young pigeons. Like the first drop of rain, he moved downwards, so the others had to put their lives at risk. They followed the old pigeon, the grandpa. As soon as they perched on the plants, a net was thrown over them, and soon they were deprived of their freedom. They were all captured. The youngest pigeons said, "We are all trapped now." Now the grandpa got anxious and worried, and he started cawing at the top of his voice, adding horror to their current situation. Grandpa said, "Oh Lord, we are all ruined. Our story has ended. I see darkness everywhere. We will soon perish and end in humans' empty stomachs. Some of us will die in cages. Oh, our nests, our home, are all gone. Horror, horror." Pigeons got sick of his outburst and politely requested the grandpa to be quiet. A young pigeon said, "Grandpa, please calm down and let's find some way to escape." He was not listening to anyone like an incorrigible kid. The pigeons ignored his tantrums. Finally, they thought of an idea. They flapped their wings with vigor and full energy and flew away with the net. At last, Grandpa got peace of mind. We must have faith in our young generation. youth must be involved in decision making at different levels as they are the major stakeholders of the society. Stay blessed. I'll be back with the new chapter by the grace of God.